Okay, so today basically what we're going to cover is something like application question, soalan aplikasi harian related to circular measure. Okay, that this is what we are going to cover today. So let us see. Okay, so basically where we stopped last week we stopped at question 8. Okay, number 8. So last week we didn't discuss question C yet, part C. Okay, part A, part B, bahagian B kita sudah bincang. Okay, we already discussed how to solve it. Okay, so now we'll move on to part C. Okay, so part C, they ask you to count the area of shaded region. Mereka suruh kamu kira luas kawasan berlorek. Okay, guys, so can you all tell me, based on the diagram here, what is your idea of finding the shaded region? Apa idea kamu boleh bagi kat saya? Macam mana kira kawasan berlorek biru itu? Anyone know? Just give me any idea, like what minus what or what plus what. So how to find that area? Got two steps here involved. You cannot find directly. Kamu tak boleh cari terus. Kamu kena ada dua langkah. You must have two steps. So anyone want to cuba? Your idea? How to get that shaded region? Jangan takut to share idea. Any idea is okay. Wrong also doesn't matter. Cuba sahaja. So anyone? Got idea? If no idea, you tell no idea straight away to me. If no idea, you raise your hand. Kamu tekan butang, angkat tangan. Kalau kamu tak ada idea nak cari kawasan berlorek. Okay, two people no idea. So the rest should have idea, right? Yang tak angkat tangan for shaded region. So can you all tell your idea in the chat box? How to get that shaded region? Macam mana dapat kawasan berlorek? Find area for RTS and then find TQS, and then tolak. Selena, kalau kamu buat begitu kan, kamu sebenarnya cari kawasan yang ni, TRQ, yang apa, merah ini. Okay, kalau kamu ambil RTS, kuadran tu, tolak dengan kawasan berlorek, kamu akan dapat TRQ. Tapi soalan tanya kawasan berlorek tu. Kamu nak cari kawasan berlorek tu. Jadi kawasan TQS tak boleh ada dalam jalan kira kamu. Itu adalah jawapan akhir kamu. Okay? Oh, tolak TRS. Okay, start. Tolak TRS. Kamu cari luas TRS, tolak luas TRS. Apa maksud kamu kat sini? Kamu maksud tolak TRQ ke? Selena. TRS tolak TRQ. Others, the rest? Yang lain boleh bagi cadangan juga. How to find the shaded region? Macam mana boleh cari kawasan berlorek? Okay, your method, I tell you lah, kalau kamu guna kaedah tu kan, at least 80% of y'all here will say that one. Am I right? 80% orang akan kata TRS, kamu tolak TRQ, you will get TQS. Am I right, guys? Kamu guna kaedah tu kan? But I want to ask y'all, TRQ, can y'all find the area, guys, for TRQ? Boleh tak saya cari luas TRQ? Can or not, guys? You all try to think and see. Adakah ada rumus untuk cari luas TRQ? Is there a formula that can help you to find TRQ? Can anyone tell? If you say TRS minus TRQ. Anyone? TRQ. Can we directly find this? Adakah kita boleh cari ni secara terus? Yes or no? Pi j square times 1. Wait, pi j square times 1 point. Is that 1.2, Angela? Or 1 comma 2? I don't understand that one. 1 comma 2. Pi j square. Oh, 1 over 2. Okay. Pi j square times 1 over 2. Oh, I see your method. Basically, right, for this area, right, you mean, Angela, the TRQ, you're using this. Am I right? Okay, but basically if you see the question, kalau kamu nampak soalan ni, did they tell you that TRQ is a sector? Angela? And also the rest here lah. Adakah soalan bagi tahu TRQ adalah sector? Do you see the word sector TRQ or not? Anyone here? Do you all see the word? Adakah kamu nampak sector TRQ? I don't think so, right? You all never see sector TRQ. Means that you cannot assume it is a sector. Kamu tak boleh anggap TRQ ni adalah sector. This is a wrong assumption. So you cannot find directly this area. That's why I said this question need two step. Dia kena ada dua langkah. Tak boleh cari terus. Okay? So you must think of an idea. Kamu kena fikir sekarang. Kalau saya tak boleh dapat luas TRQ ni secara terus, if I cannot get the area of TRQ directly, what other method I can use over here? Okay, apa lagi kaedah saya boleh guna? So can anyone tell? If I want to get TRQ based on the diagram, macam mana saya boleh cari TRQ? Sekarang saya nak satu persamaan. TRQ sama dengan apa? Luas. What is the equation you all can construct? If you refer to the diagram. I think this one you all should be able to tell. Kamu boleh nampak yang ni. So anyone? Dah dapat? Berdasarkan apa yang saya label lah, kamu boleh lihat sini sebenarnya. Okay, based on what I label. So anyone? How to get TRQ? Macam mana dapat TRQ? What minus what? If anyone don't know, you can raise your hand also lah. Kalau siapa tak tahu macam mana nak dapat luas TRQ. Siapa tak tahu boleh angkat tangan. For those don't know how to get area of TRQ. Okay, very simple guys. You see this, Guys, wait, let me use a different color. Purple. Never mind, purple a lot. Use black. Guys, focus your eye on this black color region. Kamu lihat kawasan hitam ni. So guys, what can you see in the black region? Can you all tell me? Dalam kawasan hitam tu yang saya bulat, apa kamu nampak? Can you all tell me? What is the word? Apa yang kamu tengok? Okay, yes, triangle. One more. Satu lagi. Selain segitiga yang kamu nampak? Anyone know? Guys, I give you one clue. OT, panjang dia 5 cm. Correct? Berdasarkan apa yang saya label. OQ is also 5 cm. So guys, if OT dan OQ ada panjang sama, QOT itu apa? What is QOT? If OT and OQ have the same length, what do we call QOT? Apa kita panggil untuk QOT? Kalau dua panjang dia sama. Anyone? Apa yang kamu belajar dalam bab ni? It should be? Yes, it's jejari of the sector. So basically, macam mana kamu boleh dapat luas TRQ adalah kamu ambil luas sektor TOQ, you take the area of sector TOQ minus with segitiga TOR. Kamu tolak segitiga TOR, kamu akan dapat TRQ. Okay guys? So this is the concept. After you get TRQ, kamu nak cari luas kawasan berlorek kan? Jadi, kamu tengok luas berlorek is actually equal to quadrant. Can you see the quadrant guys? Quadrant TRS. Okay, kamu guna quadrant TRS. Tolak dengan TRQ. Okay, quadrant TRS tolak dengan TRQ. So then you will get luas kawasan berlorek. Understand guys? So this is what I mean got two step. Kamu ada dua langkah. Okay, kamu kena cari TRQ dulu. Find TRQ first. Take sector minus triangle. You get TRQ. Second step, you want to find shaded region. Kamu nak kawasan berlorek. Okay, iaitu TQS. So how to get TQS? You take TRS, the whole diagram minus sector, bahagian kecil tu, iaitu TRQ. Understand guys? Can put like if you understand. Boleh tekan react kalau faham. So this is the step. Okay, you must use this way. Two steps to find the answer. Okay, so basically how to do it, I'll write over here. Okay, so for part C. Okay, so for part C, first step, you have to find area of TRQ, luas TRQ. So area of TRQ is equal to sector minus triangle. Okay, this is the concept yang kita guna. Okay, so guys, can you all remind me luas sector apa formula dia? Can you all comment? Area of sector formula? Cuba hafal semua formula macam ni. Try to memorize because lebih senang bagi kamu. So what is area of sector formula that you all learn so far? Apa formula untuk kira luas sektor? Can anyone type out? Yes, okay, half. Got R also, remember, half R square theta. Okay, this is the formula to count area of sector, luas sector. Okay, triangle guys, can you all tell me what formula do we use to count luas segitiga? Yes, correct. Half AB sin C. Okay, I ask one question here. Why luas segitiga saya tak boleh guna rumus ni? Can anyone tell me? Mengapa saya tak boleh guna luas segitiga sama dengan setengah kali tapak kali tinggi? Why I cannot use this formula? Can anyone tell the reason? Why half times base times height cannot in this case? Yes, very good. Okay, when you have an angle, bila ada darjah selain 90 darjah, if you have an angle other than 90 degree, this formula automatically cannot. This formula is for right angle triangle only. Segitiga sudut tegak sahaja. Baru kamu guna setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Other than that, this is the formula. Okay, where you learn this formula? Mana kamu belajar rumus ni? Form 4 chapter 9 at Maths. So can you see? Form 4 chapter 9 knowledge kamu apply kat Form 5 chapter 1. Yes. That's why I say it's related one. Dia berhubung kait. Okay. Form 4 chapter 9 you can apply to your Form 5 chapter 1. So you must know all the formula in your Form 4 chapter 9. Because not only this formula, even sine rule, petua sinus, and also cosine rule, petua cosinus is also greatly needed in this chapter. Kamu kena ingat dua petua ni because it can apply to Form 5 chapter 1. Okay, banyak guna. Whenever you have a triangle in a circle, something like this, you can directly apply this concept, sine rule and cosine rule. When the triangle is not 90 degree. Bila segitiga tu bukan bersudut tegak punya. Okay, selalu ingat petua ni, sinus dan cosinus. Untuk lebih senang lah dalam exam. Okay, so now kita boleh selesaikan lah. So, one more thing guys. Okay, so saya nak tanya, this theta over here, do we use degree or radian? Unit apa kita guna for the first formula? Yes, remember radian, not degree. Common mistake. People akan lupa untuk tukar. There, I say, you must use radian. Okay, remember, 90%, 90% rumus dalam bab ni, Form 5 chapter 1, kamu kena guna radian mode. Remember, use radian. Okay, 90%. Okay, why I say not 100%? 10%, you will still use degrees. Okay, when will you use degree mode guys? This is when you use degree mode. Sudut untuk yang ni, huruf C tu kena ada dalam darjah. You must use sin C in degrees. Oh, okay. Very simple. Basically, if you want to memorize easier, whenever you see sin, cos, or tan, you must use degree mode. Kamu kena guna mode darjah. Other than this, selain daripada ni, kamu guna mode radian. You use radian mode. Understand? This is the concept. Whenever you see sin, cos, tan, like this one kat sini, make sure it's in degree mode. Kamu kena guna darjah. Okay? So this is the thing you must differentiate lah. That's all. Other than that, kamu boleh isi maklumat dah. Okay? Usually the confusion is in the angle dalam darjah sahaja dan radian. Okay? So based on the diagram, jejari kalau kita lihat is actually 5 cm. Okay, 5 cm berdasarkan apa yang dilabel. Okay, so you gantikan 5. So you will have 5 square. Okay, theta, ingat mesti dalam radian. Okay, you must put in radian. So if you refer diagram, kita dah cari sudut POT. Okay, POT jawapan dia adalah 150 darjah. Okay, 150 degree. This one. Okay, POT means that yang lebih kecil tu adalah nilai yang kita ambil lah. The smaller angle is the one we are going to take because based on the question here, the sector, this is 150. Okay, sorry if the diagram is a bit messy. This is the 150. This one, this small angle is the 30. Okay, yang kecil tu 30, besar tu 150. Okay, kita dah cari bahagian A berdasarkan trigo. Okay, so understand guys, why you get 30 degrees? Okay, this one you must know berdasarkan trigonometry. This one over here, you will get 30 degrees. Okay, because it's a right angle triangle, segitiga sudut tegak. Okay, so can I ask you all 30 degrees, 30 darjah dalam unit radian berapa? 30 degrees in radian mode. Can anyone tell? So anyone? 30 degrees. Berapa radian? How many radian is 30 degree? Saya nak dalam sebutan pi ya guys. Give your answer in terms of pi. So how many radian you will get? Yes, very good. Okay, 1/6 pi. Okay, so how you convert? Ingat 30 darjah darab pi bahagi 180. So that's how you get 1/6 pi ataupun pi bahagi 6. Okay, degree to radian maksudnya kamu kena kali pi bahagi 180. Opposite means radian to degree you times with 180 bahagi pi. Terbalik sahaja. Okay, cara mudah nak ingat lah. Okay, nama ask you all. Siapa sini masih tak faham conversion antara radian dan degree? Cuba angkat tangan. Who don't understand still the conversion radian to degree, degree to radian? Siapa tak faham? Angkat tangan. Who don't know? Radian to degree, degree to radian. Wah, no one angkat tangan . Maksudnya semua tahu macam mana nak convert supaya tak confused. Oh, okay, good question. Okay, I can explain to you a bit lah. Actually, it's the formula. So you must accept it lah. Kamu kena terima dia sebenarnya. Okay, very simple. Usually, right, pi is actually in radian mode. Kalau kamu nampak simbol ni, dia dalam unit radian. 180 degrees is degree mode. So that's why when you convert, these two is involved. That's why kamu kali 180 bahagi pi ataupun kali pi bahagi 180 because of this relationship. Pi sama dengan 180 darjah. Okay, if you want easier way to remember, lebih senang bagi kamu, let's say lah, I want to go from degree to radian. Saya nak pergi dari darjah ke radian. So how do I do it? Macam mana buat? Let's say 30 degree. So kamu kali pi bahagi 180. Okay, so guys, look carefully ya. Tengok simbol ni. Guys, whenever you have, let's say lah, satu simbol meter bahagi dengan satu lagi simbol meter, apa kita boleh buat? If you learn so far, you got unit meter on top, then bahagi meter. So what can we do? You all learn in physics. Manso. So this is the same thing. So degree ke atas manso, degree kat bawah manso. So kamu tinggal dengan pi sahaja. Pi ni adalah dalam unit radian. Itu sebab jawapan kamu dalam unit radian. Understand? I rasa cara ni lebih mudah nak faham lah. Because kalau kamu kira nilai pi 3.142 sahaja. Nilai dia dalam degree 180. Jauh dia, beza dia amat jauh. Okay, the difference is large. So that means that if you want radian, jawapan kamu dalam radian akan selalu lebih kecil berbanding jawapan kamu dalam darjah. Okay, your radian answer will be less than degree answer. Okay, that is why you times with pi bahagi 180 untuk bagi nilai dia lebih kecil. Understand guys? Can get it? Kalau kamu cuba darab yang ni kan, kalau kamu terbalik lah, 30 degree kali 180 degree bahagi pi. Kamu cuba kira jawapan ni guys. 30 times 180 divide by pi. Kamu dapat apa? Okay, you will get 1718 point something something. So guys, 1718.87. Adakah jawapan ni logik tak guys? Is this a logical answer for angle? Yes or no? Comment. Cuba comment. Adakah jawapan ni logik tak? If I do opposite lah, kalau saya tiba-tiba tertukar. So this is how you can check. Let's say kamu silap dalam penukaran, tak apa. Kamu lihat jawapan ni dan lihat jawapan ini. Jauh beza. Which one more logic? This one more logic lah. Okay, because nilai dia lebih kecil. It's a smaller answer. Understand guys? Okay, mustahil lah kamu nak dapat sudut melebihi 1000. Okay, very difficult. Some more in radian. Radian sudut dia takkan melebihi dalam silibus kamu mungkin 2 pi lah. Okay, it should not exceed 2 pi. 2 pi is 360 degree. Okay, so harap semua faham lah. So we continue. Okay, so we gantikan pi bahagi 6 kat dalam. Okay guys, one more thing about the pi, berkenaan simbol pi. Saya kena guna nilai apa? What value should I use for pi? Can anyone tell me? Bila nak kira jawapan ni akhirnya, what value should I use? Can anyone tell the answer? Siapa tahu jawapan dia? Pi. Saya kena guna nilai apa? Adakah dia 3.142, 22/7 ataupun apa? Okay. This one I asked last time also untuk yang datang last session. Okay guys, important kamu kena take note. Bila soalan kata guna pi sama dengan 3.142, when the question say use that value, kamu kena guna nilai itu. Jangan ubah. Okay, follow the question. Okay, let's say lah guys, soalan tak bagi tahu apa-apa. The question never tell you use pi equal to what. So kamu guna nilai apa guys? Kalau soalan tak bagi tahu guna nilai ni atau nilai ni, mereka tak bagi tahu. So pi sama dengan apa? Kamu akan guna untuk kira. What will you use? Kalau soalan tak bagi info. Yes. Any is wrong. Random is the answer. Okay, random means that kamu tak boleh guna actually these two value. Okay. Listen guys, bila soalan tak bagi tahu nilai pi, tengok calculator kamu. Dia adalah simbol pi kan? There is a pi symbol in your calculator you can find at the bottom here. Bila soalan tak bagi tahu nilai pi, tekan nilai pi kat situ. Because this pi value, nilai pi ni yang paling accurate, paling tepat. So when question never tell you use this or that, kamu kena guna nilai dalam calculator. Itu jawapan dia. Pi in the calculator. Understand? But if question give you, kamu guna nilai itulah. Jangan pandai-pandai tekan sini. Okay? So this is the concept. So, kat sini mereka dah bagi. So, kamu boleh tulis lah. Tak boleh tulis simbol pi. Kamu tulis 3.142. Lebih senang. Supaya kamu ingat. To remind yourself. Pi bahagi 6. Pi equals 3.142. Okay. So, this whole thing. Kamu tekan dalam calculator. Seluruh persamaan ini. Untuk dapat jawapan dia. Okay. So, you will get. Okay. Siapa boleh bagi tahu jawapan dia? Cuba tekan yang ni. How much you get? Okay, so anyone got the answer? Untuk persamaan ni, kamu kena cepat tekan calculator tahu. You must be fast when press calculator so that kamu boleh selesaikan dengan cepat. So anyone? Answer? Berapa kamu dapat yang ni? Kalau nilai dia kecil pun tak apa. If the value small also is okay. So if you press correctly, you should get this answer. Okay, kamu sepatutnya dapat nilai ni. Okay, who get this value? Boleh angkat tangan? Okay, Sada. Yes, correct. Okay, if you want to be selamat lah. Kalau kamu nak selamat, kamu tulis nilai ni pun betul. Sebab this value, ini lebih tepat berbanding nilai ni. Okay, the best thing is you leave it in fraction. Kamu tinggal jawapan dalam pecahan because fraction is more accurate. Pecahan tu lebih tepat berbanding perpuluhan. Okay, so always give your answer in fraction because dialah yang paling tepat. Okay, so not yet, kita tak habis lagi soalan. So you must continue lah. This one is the first step. Okay, so second step, what you must do is you must find out the kawasan berlorek, shaded region. Okay, so this one is 71 over 240. So then you can write, wait okay. Okay, so now you find area of shaded region, kawasan berlorek. So how to find shaded region? You take luas quadrant, the area of the quadrant minus 71 over 240 seperti yang diterangkan tadi. Okay. So what is the formula guys to find luas quadrant? Anyone know? Kalau nak cari luas sukuan bulatan, macam mana nak kira? How to get the area of quadrant? Area. S is R, theta is for length of arc, panjang lengkok. Actually, right, the formula is the same. Yeah, correct. R square theta. Okay, you use the same formula. Quadrant ke, sector ke, formula dia masih sama. Is half R square theta. Okay, so kamu gantikan sahaja. Okay, so based on the diagram, kamu lihat. Okay, so guys, theta kamu, what is your value of theta over here? Can anyone tell? Untuk sebuah quadrant, what is your angle? Sukuan bulatan, apa nilai dia? Sudut. Nilai ni tetap, takkan berubah. Is a constant value. So anyone know? Quadrant. What is the angle? Like this. So apa sudut yang ni? It should be 90 degree. Yes. Okay, always remember quadrant, bila nampak perkataan quadrant, straight away label kat diagram 90 darjah supaya tak confuse nanti. Okay, it's always 90 degree. Soalan takkan bagi tahu, but you must know it's 90 degree. Okay, quadrant saja mereka akan sebut, tapi kamu kena interpret 90 darjah. Okay, so then jejari, radius kita tak ada. Okay, so what is the radius of this? Siapa tahu? Berdasarkan wajah, what is the radius of this diagram? Sorry, quadrant. Kamu boleh nampak dah, nilai dah ada kat situ. Yes, it's 2.5. Okay, sorry sebab diagram tak clear sangat. Okay, it's actually 2.5 cm. Okay, 2.5 cm. So, you can direct use 2.5 cm. Okay, inside here. So, kamu boleh tulis sana. Okay, you will get. Okay, 90 degree, how many in radian guys? Can you tell me? Half. Sana, saya kena tulis sekecil sikit. 90 darjah dalam radian. Can anyone tell me? Apa nilai dia? Area of shaded region. Yes. Okay, ingat nilai tu. Okay, so that easier for you. Yeah. Okay, so shaded region, kamu ambil, sorry, not sector. Kamu ambil quadrant, tolak dengan 71/240 nilai tadi. So, you got setengah 2.5 kuasa 2 tolak 71 over, you will take, wait, 71 over 240. So anyone can tell me the answer, jawapan akhir? How much you get for this one? Kalau kamu tekan calculator. Saat pi bahagi 4. Sorry, I forget to include one value. Saya tak letak satu nilai, sorry ya. Saya lupa sudut. Okay, sudut dia pi bahagi 2. Okay, jangan lupa sudut kat sini. So it's pi over 2. And then minus 71 over 240. So you will get, jawapan akhir dia 4.62. Okay, 4.62 centimeter square. Okay guys, understand? Cara nak selesaikan, this is how you solve the question. Okay, untuk soalan 8. Okay guys, any question you have, you want to ask? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya? Kalau tak clear, berkenaan bahagian C lah. Anyone don't understand how to solve? Boleh angkat tangan lah kalau kamu tak faham. Bahagian C ni, part C. If all clear, then we proceed lah. Kita go on for the next question. Okay? So no angkat tangan Okay, kita continue. Okay, so this is number 9. Soalan 9. Okay, so number 9. Okay, this is a famous question lah. Salah satu soalan suka tanya dalam bab ni. Okay, dia keluar dalam SPM tahun lepas pun. Okay, past SPM question. Okay, so kamu baca soalan. Okay, kalau nak BM, ada BM juga. Okay. Those who want English, you tell me to scroll up so that I can scroll up for you. Because I think majority here ambil BM, so that's why I put in the BM. Yeah, got on top. Okay, all read already? Semua dah baca? Okay, so usually, right, one of the skill I tell you all in AdMaths, right, kamu kena pandai cepat baca soalan. You must do speed reading because dalam AdMaths kamu tak ada banyak masa kan? Am I right? Siapa setakat inilah rasa AdMaths dia tak ada masa nak selesaikan exam? Angkat tangan. So this is what I say. Okay, because common problem and maths bukan kamu tak tahu selesaikan, sebenarnya tak cukup masa. Itu yang paling kesian. Am I right? You know how to solve but no time. Okay, that is the major problem. So that's why I say, bila baca soalan kan jangan bazir masa. You have to read very fast. Baca pantas. Untuk jimat masa untuk kamu selesaikan soalan tu. So jangan bazir sangat masa kat soalan. Okay, tulis apa yang kamu tahu saja. Walaupun salah tak apa, at least kamu tulis sesuatu. Am I right? In NMaths, as long you write something is better than nothing. Don't leave it blank. Jangan bagi dia kosong. Who knows, you might get a mark for writing something. Okay, kamu tak tahu. Okay, so never mind, we read the question first. Okay, so first information yang saya boleh dapat. Okay, jejari bulatan besar adalah 20 cm. Okay, jejari bulatan kecil adalah 12 cm. Okay, and then this is a important keyword. Guys, bila nampak tangent, when you see the word tangent, what does it mean? Apa yang datang pada fikiran kamu? The first thing when you see tangent, keyword. Whenever the question bagi tahu tangent, dia nak bagi tahu sesuatu kat kamu. Yes, 90 darjah. Okay, correct. Yes, perpendicular, correct. Okay, so 90 degree. So that's why mana dua titik saya boleh label 90 darjah guys? Cuba bagi tahu label dia. Which 2 point is 90 degree? Dua titik dalam wajah ni. Mana dua ada 90 darjah simbol tu. Yes, correct. One more, satu lagi. Yes, QP, correct. Okay, so this one 90, this one also 90. First information, yes, correct. Okay, so this is what you get from the question. So then directly, mereka suruh kamu buktikan sudut PAR, which is theta, sama dengan 1.32. Okay, this is the K-bar question. Soalan buktikan. Who don't like soalan buktikan here? Raise your hand. Who don't like proving question? Siapa tak suka? There are a lot also. Okay. So one thing I want to tell you in admaths, right? Especially admaths, you cannot run away from proving. Dalam admaths ni, kamu kena tahu macam mana nak buktikan. It's a must. Okay, because they like to ask a lot of question here. Mereka suka sangat. Not only in this chapter, other chapter also. Bab-bab form 4 kamu. Because bab-bab form 4 kamu ada banyak berbanding form 5. Okay, so form 4 got a lot of proving yang kamu kena tahu. Mungkin kamu semua dah lupa lah sikit. But it's okay, still can do revision. Okay, actually, right, if you want to know how to prove all the form 4 and form 5 formula, right, semua rumus, go to my YouTube channel also. Saya pun ada buat video. Okay, my YouTube lah. I got video on form 4, all the formula you need to prove, form 5, all the formula you need to prove. Semua buktikan rumus. You can find it also lah. Okay, circular measure not many. Only 2 formula kamu kena tahu untuk buktikan. But this question is not on formula lah. Dia berkenaan sudut. Okay, so guys, can anyone tell me what is the idea? Macam mana saya boleh dapat sudut ni? What is your first step? This one is the hardest one. Tak banyak orang boleh bagi tahu jawapan yang betul. Not many can think of this. Sine rule. Okay, where is your triangle in the first place? If you say sine rule, how will you draw the triangle? Because sine rule hanya boleh guna pada segitiga sahaja. Tak boleh guna pada bentuk trapezium macam ni. Kalau ada orang lain, ada cadangan lain, boleh bagi tahu sahaja. The more idea you give, the better. Bagi lebih banyak idea. Especially proving question, kamu kena bagi idea. Very good. Ayesha, correct. Okay, that is the correct idea. Buat garis DB. Okay, usually lah guys. Okay, not bad. You know already the method. Yes. Okay, if you all try this question before, is very common lah. Kalau kamu dah cuba, kamu akan ingat dah. But if you never see this kind of question, you won't know how to do. Okay, if you try once, also enough already. Satu kali saja. So I think for those don't know, this is your first time lah. Okay, so what you must do is, kamu lukis satu garis macam ni. B menyentuh garis PA. So guys, what do you see now? Yes, you see triangle. Okay, kamu nampak segitiga and also segi empat tepat. Okay, so then you can already find your answers already lah. You want to get the sudut. So guys, this one is segitiga sudut tegak. Kita anggap dia sudut tegak. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, so when you have right angle triangle, what can you use guys? Soka tua. Correct? Whenever right angle triangle, jangan lupa konsep ni. Okay, don't forget this one. Although you learn this modern maths form 3, you can still use in admaths. Okay, kamu boleh guna konsep ni dalam matematik tambahan form 5. Okay, so now you must know the length. Kamu kena tahu panjang. So guys, first question. Can you tell me, what is this length? Apa panjang hijau ini? This is the first information you must know. Very good. Kamu tambah dua jejari bulatan. You add both radius. You get 32 cm. Okay, so anyone don't know how you get 32 cm? Angkat tangan. For those don't know, don't be shy. Jangan malu. Okay, got people don't know how to get 32. Okay, let me show. 32 cm. How to get it? Okay, if you focus on the diagram carefully lah. Can you all tell me, apa panjang BR? What is the length of BR? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Okay, because it's the radius. Radius, kat mana-mana nilai dia sama. Okay, wherever it spin, the radius will maintain the same value, which is 12 cm. As long dari pusat bulatan ke lilitan bulatan, that is called the radius. From center of circle to circumference. So this is the value, 12 cm. Okay, so then you see over here. So can anyone tell me, AL, apa panjang AL based on the diagram? Yeah, 20 cm. So now, kamu tengok gambar besar, you look the big picture, this whole length, macam mana cari? 20 plus 12, so you get 32. Because they say both the circle touch, dua-dua bulatan tu menyentuh, means that we can direct consider one straight line. Kita boleh anggap dia satu garis lurus BA. Kalau bulatan tu tak sentuh, then kita tak boleh kira lah nilai ni. Nilai ni tak betul kalau bulatan tak sentuh. But the question already tell you, bulatan sentuh. Okay, over here. Kat sini. Okay, bersentuh. Kedua-dua bulatan bersentuh. Okay. So next one, can anyone tell me, apa panjang yang ni? What is the length? Berdasarkan wajah. Are you sure? Until here only ya? I want the length. No? Yang lain cuba? No. Dia bukan sama tau guys. Bulatan berbeza. Yes, 20 minus 12. Correct. Okay, macam mana dapat hijau tu? Kamu ambil seluruh yang ni. Tolak yang ni. Can you see guys? Kamu akan dapat baki yang ni. Which is 8 cm. Understand? You take the radius of big circle minus small circle. So you will get 8. So now you can solve already lah. Kamu boleh cari sudut dia. Okay, kalau kamu tak boleh bayangkan, kamu lukis segitiga ni balik kat bawah. You draw it back so that you understand. Okay, so for part A, kamu boleh lukis macam ni. Okay, kamu bagi dia segitiga macam ni. Okay, so this one is the 32 hypotenuse. This one is the theta. Just now you all get 8 cm, right? 8 cm dia kat sini. Okay, can you all bayangkan guys? From this diagram, kamu rotate, kamu putarkan segitiga ini. Kamu akan dapat segitiga ini. Can you all imagine? Can put like, if you understand, macam mana saya boleh lukis segitiga ini keluar? You must know how to draw it. Kalau kamu tak boleh nampak kat sini terus, okay, you can draw it like this untuk lebih senang. Okay, so guys, sin, cos or tan, which one you use untuk dapat theta? Which one will I use? Yang paling senang. Sin, cos or tan? Yes, okay, because you get opposite bertentangan bahagi hypotenuse. So, kamu boleh cari theta lah, shift sign. Okay, just use calculator only. So, you shift sign, you will get 14.48. So guys, is this my final answer? Adakah ini jawapan akhir saya? Yes or no? Okay, the answer should be no. Because kamu kena lihat soalan. Soalan suruh buktikan yang ni. Okay, so we never get yet the answer. So apa kita boleh buat kat sini guys? What must we do? If 14.48 not the answer means, kita buat apa? Apa langkah kita ambil? What is the step? Statement. This one. Show that PAL is 1.2 radian. Sorry. I say radian already. Saya bagi tahu jawapan tadi. Okay, correct. You must change to radian lah basically. Kamu kena tukar ke radian. Okay. Because you never get the answer means that jawapan dia dalam unit radian. So if you press calculator, make sure guna pi sama dengan 3.142, you can get the answer. Okay, kamu akan dapat Sada, kenapa tak dapat jawapan? Wait guys, mungkin segitiga saya salah kot. Wait for a while. Mungkin saya buat silap. 32, 8. Wait guys, Saya cuba lagi. Mungkin saya buat silap kat sini. 3.142 over 180. Macam betul saja. I think the question is wrong lah. Saya fikir jawapan yang mereka bagi tu salah kot. Okay, because theta PAR, oh, sana. Betul lah. PAR is that angle. PAR. Oh, okay, saya faham dah. Sorry guys. Sudut saya label salah. Okay, the angle is not over here. Okay, that's why you must be careful. Kamu kena hati-hati. Okay, sudut dia sebenarnya kat sini. Kat atas sini. Okay, you must be careful where you put the angle. Bila kamu tukar aja. Okay, because theta dia antara hypotenuse dengan garis pendek 8 cm. Okay, theta is between 8 cm and 32 cm. So that is why theta saya kena bagi dia ke atas antara 8 cm dan 32 cm. Understand guys? Okay. So this is how you should do it. So that's why instead of sine, kamu kena guna apa guys? Sekarang saya guna apa? Kalau raja macam ni. Are you sure? You should use cos. Okay, kamu kena guna cos theta. Okay, so then you can count again lah. I think you should get the answer already. Shift cos, you should get 75. Okay, so this answer is 75.6. 75.5, sorry. 75.5 darjah. Okay, so then kamu tukar yang ni kepada mode radian. You change it to radian mode. Then you should be able to find it. Okay. So it's 75.5. Okay. So kalau kamu tekan, yes, you will get 1.32. 2 dp. Yeah, make sure you leave your answer to 2 dp. Jangan bagi lebih dari 2 dp. Because the question asks you to prove. Dia suruh buktikan yang ni. So don't give more dp. Jangan bagi lebih. Okay, leave it like this. Understand guys? Are you all clear? Soalan A how to do? Okay, understand ah? Make sure kamu semua tahu macam mana nak buat soalan A. Okay, so next one. They ask you to find panjang lengkok minor QR. Okay, you want to find the minor arc QR. So guys, apa rumus kita nak guna kalau nak cari panjang QR? This one. What is the formula? Anyone know? Length of QR, panjang QR. What formula should we use? Rumus apa? Panjang. The keyword is panjang. Kalau sektor, kita selalu akan bercakap tentang luas. Okay, sector is always with area. Remember this guys. Sector is always with area. Yes. Okay, arc, lengkok is always with length. Like this. Okay, so that means S equals to R theta. Okay, R 12 cm, theta. Okay, we don't know this value. Kita tak tahu nilai ni. So how can we get the theta guys? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana nak cari sudut QBR? How to get that angle? Because kita tak ada sudut tu sekarang, QBR. This one you need some modern maths concept lah. Concept mathematics modern. Menengah rendah, you all learn. Form 3 or Form 2, I think. Yes. Okay, very good. You take 360. 360 is the whole area of the trapezium. Kamu ambil satu luas trapezium 360, tolak 90, tolak 90, tolak dengan sudut yang kamu cari. This one. Okay, this value. Tadi kamu dapat 1.32 kan? Radian. You got this one. But you can use the value in degree. Kamu guna nilai dalam darjah. Tapi, kalau nak lebih senang, kamu guna nilai dalam radian terus. So, why I say use in radian mode? Because guys, S equals R theta. Theta. Theta is in what unit guys? Dalam rumus ni. What is the unit we use for theta? Degree or radian? Yes. So better kamu bagi semua jalan kira dalam radian. 9:30, 9:30. Okay, so you will get this one is radian. So then kamu ada 12. Lepas tu theta, you just take 2 pi minus pi. Yes, okay, correct. Like what she wrote. 2 pi minus 1.32. Yeah, exactly like that. Okay, then you can get the answer. The pi you can use 3.142. Okay, so for part B, okay guys, one more tips lah I want to give you all when you have proving question. Salah satu lagi perkongsian. So guys, let's say katakan just now ada orang tak tahu buat bahagian ni kan. Just now you don't know how to do part A. So guys, saya nak tanya, kalau saya tak tahu buat bahagian A ini, adakah dia maksud saya tak boleh buat satu soalan ni? Yes or no? If I don't know how to do part A, does it mean the whole question I cannot answer? What the rest say? Apa yang lain kata? Kalau bahagian A tak boleh buat, B dan C boleh buat tak? The answer is actually you can do. Boleh. Okay, yes, I is correct. You can do. Why I say can, guys? Kamu boleh guna jawapan yang dia suruh buktikan kat sini. Kamu terus ambil nilai ni. Tak apa, kamu guna untuk kira yang dua ni. So that's why I say, if you don't know how to do proving question, kamu tak tahu macam mana buat bahagian A is okay. Jangan tinggal satu soalan. You can still use the value there for B and C. That's why I say, proving dia macam tipu tau. It's actually like cheat. You know why cheat? Because mereka dah bagi jawapan kat kamu. They already given you the answer. So it's like cheating lah. Mereka dah bagi tahu jawapan tu apa. So that's why you can do B and C. Menggunakan jawapan di A. Understand lah guys? Mungkin selama ni kamu fikir kalau A tak boleh buat, B, C habis. No. And maths not like that. Subject lain maybe. And maths no. Okay, make sure kamu guna nilai yang dia suruh buktikan tu kat bawah. Usually, soalan kat bawah akan guna nilai ke atas. That's why dia suruh buktikan nilai ke atas. Understand? Okay, you can always use the value 1. Jangan risau. Okay, so if you don't know part A, it's okay. Jangan bazir markah bahagian B dan C. Okay, so you can still solve. So next part, kami buat bahagian B. So bahagian B, kamu kena guna S equals R theta lah. So part B, S equals R theta. So R kamu tadi 12 berdasarkan wajah. Theta 2 pi tolak pi bahagi 2. Pi bahagi 2 is 90 darjah. So you got 290 darjah. So tolak 2 kali, tolak sudut tadi. So press calculator, kamu boleh dapat jawapan dah. Okay. Minus 3.142 minus 1.32 times 12. Okay, jawapan kamu 21.864 centimeter. Understand guys? Yes, yes. Pi bahagi 2 is 90 darjah. Okay, make sure you all know the basic radian to degree. Okay, example 360, kamu ingat 2 pi. Tak faham, boleh explain? Oh, okay. Simple. Afiq, kamu kena tahu conversion antara pi dengan darjah. Okay, so pi bahagi 2 kan. Kamu mula dengan yang ni. Okay, mana dia? Okay, pi bahagi 2. So this is radian. Betul? Kamu nak tukar ke degree. DG. Okay, so you must times with. Kamu kena kali dengan 180 bahagi pi. Okay, mengapa kali 180 bahagi pi? Because I want to go from radian to degree. Pi ni dalam radian, ingat selalu. Pi ni dalam unit radian. So radian bahagi dengan radian, saya boleh potong radian. So Afiq, kamu tinggal dengan darjah. So itu sebab kamu dapat 90 darjah. 180 bahagi 2, 90 darjah. Okay, radian kamu boleh potong dengan radian. That's why kamu boleh convert ke degree. Sama untuk yang terbalik juga, dari degree ke radian. Hanya kamu songsangkanlah kali pi bagi 180. Okay? So, itu caralah untuk soalan B. Okay, so for bahagian C, mereka nak cari luas sektor. Okay, so part C nak cari luas sektor. Luas kawasan berlorek. Okay, so this is the kawasan berlorek. Okay, so what we must use here guys, apa rumus yang kita nak guna kalau nak cari luas kawasan berlorek ni? How to get the shaded region? Anyone know? What is the concept? Kamu boleh cakap dengan perkataan mudah. Just type out simple word. Yes, two area of sector, not arc. Arc we refer to length. So two area of sector minus with trapezium. Okay, trapezium big one minus dua sektor kecil. Okay, actually, let me see. Okay lah, kamu boleh guna trapezium nak senang. Okay, you can use trapezium. Yeah. Okay, so guys, one thing lah I want to ask you all. Kalau kamu nak guna rumus trapezium, adakah kamu ada panjang PQ tak? Do you have PQ length? Sebab formula for trapezium is setengah kali. Yeah, actually you can find. Kamu boleh cari panjang PQ. How? From the triangle. Dari segitiga ini. Yes, trigo. Okay, you can use Pythagoras theorem. This triangle, right? Yang ni, this one over here is your height of the trapezium. Ini adalah tinggi trapezium kamu. Tapak segitiga ini. Okay, so you can just use Pythagoras. Punca kuasa 2, 32 kuasa 2 tolak 8 kuasa 2. You can get the height. H equal to this. Okay, so then you can find the area of trapezium tadi. Kamu boleh cari. Okay, so you just take area of trapezium equal to setengah. This is the original formula lah. Macam ni. Okay. So, dua panjang tu adalah jejari sektor kamu. Your radius of sector is the two length. Okay. Kali dengan ketinggian 32 kuasa 2 tolak 8 kuasa 2. So, kamu boleh kira nilai ni. Okay. So, you will get kali 32 bagi 2. 495.74 cm square. Okay, this is the area of trapezium, luas trapezium. So next, you must find the sector, luas sector. Kamu ada dua sector, so you must find separately. Kamu kena cari berasingan. Okay, let's say this is the first one lah. So setengah R, R untuk sektor kecil is 12. Theta, theta kalau kamu nampak raja, nilai dia adalah yang ni. Okay, where is it? Sorry, the other side. Nilai dia yang ni. This value. This one. Ini adalah theta untuk first sector. Yang kecil punya. Okay, so you just tulis seluruh nilai ni saja untuk bagi dia tepat. If you don't know the area of trapezium, you should know lah. In admaths, they expect you to know all the basic formula. Mereka takkan bagi tahu kamu rumus trapezium. Because modern maths you all learn already. Okay, so you should know lah area of trapezium. If you don't know, which polygon? I don't think there's area for polygon, right? If not mistaken. General formula. General formula for polygon is to count sudut only, not the area. Kamu boleh hanya kira sudut. Guna rumus polygon, not the luas. Now we talking area. So we cannot find, tak boleh cari. You still need to know the formula for trapezium. Okay, let's say lah guys, kamu tak tahu rumus trapezium. Kamu tiba-tiba lupa. What will you do guys? Apa kamu akan buat? Kalau kamu tiba-tiba lupa, how to count area of trapezium? Yeah, sure, no problem. It's okay. Yes, you can actually use the area of triangle plus the area of rectangle. Kamu tambah luas segitiga dengan welcome luas segi empat tepat. Okay, so then you can get the area of trapezium. No problem already. Okay, luas segitiga half base times height. Yang ni kamu kena ingat lah. Luas segi empat tepat, length times width. So you plus these two. Then you get the answer already. Understand guys? So this is alternative method, kaedah kedua. If you don't know area of trapezium, this is the primary method. Ini adalah method paling senang, area of trapezium. Okay? So then, you can count this value lah, kamu kira nilai ni untuk luas sektor pertama. So you just need to press calculator. So 2 minus pi minus 1.32. Okay, you will get 131.184 cm square. This is for the first sector, sektor pertama. Okay, you still got one more sector. Kamu ada satu lagi sektor, so kena kira juga. Okay, untuk dapat kawasan berlorek. Sorry. Wait, 2 point. Sun is, wait, I also forget the value already. Eight, 6, 4. Okay, so you can get second area of sector, luas sektor kedua. Okay, so you will have half. Jejari sektor kedua is 20. Sudut tadi kamu dah cari 1.32 radian. Okay, so kamu hanya perlu tekan nilai ni saja. Okay, 20 square times 1.32 bahagi 2. So you should get exactly 264. Nilai tepat 264 cm square. Okay, so how to get shaded region? Kamu ambil semua nilai ni, tolak antara satu sama lain. Just minus all the value. Then you can get shaded region. Okay, so 495.74 tolak dengan 264 tolak 131.184 cm square. Okay, so this will be your final answer. Ini jawapan akhir dia. So you should get 100.56 cm square. Okay guys, understand how to solve this whole question? Faham? Macam mana buat soalan macam ni? This one common question guys in the exam. Soalan akan keluar macam ni. Okay, this is famous one. Selalu keluar trapezium. This kind of shape. Untuk bab sukatan membulat. They like to ask. Okay guys, can react if you understand. Kalau faham, cara nak buat, put a like. Okay, understand Okay, good. If any question, please ask kalau tak faham. Okay, so this is question 10. Soalan yang ke-10 bagi bab ni. Okay, so first question, they ask you angle, sorry, not yet, must read the question first. Okay, so they say that OP equals 17 cm. Okay, so kamu label OP is 17. Okay, so can anyone tell me satu lagi nilai yang sama dengan OP? What other length? Mana lagi panjang yang sama dengan OP? Anyone know? OQ. Wait, let me see. Yes. Okay, correct. Because they say it's sector POQ. So we can say that this length is also 17 centimeter. Okay, this is the first info. Then they tell you PQ is 8.8. So kamu label 8.8. So if PQ is 8.8, apa lagi nilai adalah 8.8 selain PQ? Ini cara kamu analisis saja. So what other length that gives you 8.8 cm? RO. Bukan RO. RO kamu boleh nampak dia lebih pendek berbanding PQ. Jadi tak boleh. Yes, PR. Okay, PR is the radius of the sector. Sama dengan PQ. Dua-dua ni adalah jejari sektor PQR. Jadi nilai dia sama. Okay, whenever radius, right? Whenever you see sector, perkataan sektor, maksudnya dua panjang pasti akan sama. Two of the length will be same when you have a sector. Satu lagi panjang akan berbeza. Sektor kan macam ni, ada tiga panjang. Panjang ni dengan panjang ni akan sama, RR. Kat sini akan jadi panjang R theta, iaitu panjang lengkok. So that's why two value must be the same one. Dua nilai pasti sama. Okay, untuk sektor, dia kena sebut perkataan sektor. Kalau tak sebut perkataan sektor, kamu tak boleh anggap. Okay, you cannot assume. Okay, so now, siapa boleh bagi tahu panjang RO ini berapa? Yang ni senang untuk cari. Yes, okay, 8.2 you should get. 8.2 cm. Okay, so kamu tak boleh buat apa-apa lagi dah. Okay, we totally label the diagram already. So, kamu baca soalan nak sudut OPQ. Okay, OPQ dalam radian. Okay, so OPQ ya. Okay, so they want this angle, sudut yang ni. This one. Okay, so can anyone tell me apa nilai sudut tu? Based on your knowledge of trigo, berdasarkan trigo kamu, apa nilai dia? Kalau boleh bagi jawapan akhir lebih baguslah dalam radian. Okay, correct? Dalam radian. $75 degree in radian. Berapa? Yes. Okay, 1.8 should be 309. Yeah, 1.309. Okay, so based on the triangle, kamu boleh kira lah sudut OPQ equal to 180 minus 30 bagi 2. Mengapa bagi 2? Because it is segitiga sama kaki, isosceles triangle. So you get 75. Then you convert to radian. So 75 degree kali pi, pi kena guna nilai ni, bahagi dengan 180, divide 180. Okay, so you can press calculator, you will get 1.309 radian. Okay guys, so I think this one quite simple lah, bahagian A. Okay, sudut OPQ. So next one, perimeter sector QPR. Okay, you want to get perimeter QPR. So guys, QR, kita tak ada info lagi. So how to get it? What formula we use to get QR? Recall? Now we want to get this length. Bukan cosinus. Yes, S equal to R theta. Remember, yang ni adalah sektor tahu guys, PQR. Soalan dah bagi tahu. This is a sector. Boleh nampak tak? This is a area of sector. So we can find the length of arc. Kita boleh cari panjang lengkok. R 8.8 theta kita dah cari dalam bahagian A. Okay? Oh, tak perlu. Okay? Usually, kalau soalan tak berbentuk K-bar, kamu tak perlu modify diagram. Okay, if the question not test you on K-bar, tak perlu buat apa kat wajah. Guna wajah tu sahaja. Jangan pergi modify, tambah garis sini, tambah garis sana, jangan. Okay, because sometimes kamu akan tambah silap. Okay, kamu tambah kat tempat yang salah. So if it's not K-bar, kalau macam soalan ni, K-bar I mean by buktikan. Dia suruh buktikan sesuatu. Buktikan tu soalan K-bar. So Kalau soalan macam tu, that type of question, baru kamu pergi modify diagram. Ikut cara kamu. Macam tadi. Can you see guys? Just now question, trapezium ni, saya tambah garis. Betul? Kenapa saya tambah garis? Because saya lihat soalan. Dia suruh buktikan sesuatu sudut. Bila kamu nampak buktikan sudut, show that, means that dia ni soalan kebat. So when is soalan kebat, you modify the diagram. Ini satu tips lah for all of you. Okay guys, boleh faham? Bila soalan tak kebat, jangan pergi modify. Okay, because most of the time kamu akan dapat salah. Okay, so then kamu boleh cari dah. Okay, you can get perimeter. Okay, so kamu cari panjang lengkok dulu. Okay, so you find for part B the length of arc. Okay, so bahagian B, length of arc S equal to R theta. So R 8.8, theta is just now is saya pun dah lupa. Okay, 1.309. Okay, this the theta. So kamu boleh kira panjang lengkok dia kali 8.8. So you will get 11.52 cm. Okay, soalan tanya panjang lengkok, question never ask length of arc. So you must find perimeter of sector PQR. Okay, so you take PQ plus QR plus PR. Okay, this is PR. Panjang lengkok ni adalah panjang lengkok PR. PQ QR adalah jejari. Nilai dia sama, 8.8. Okay, so you write 2 kali 8.8 tambah 11.52. So you will get the answer. Okay guys, understand? Boleh faham how to get perimeter? So this is the answer, 29.12 cm for part B. Okay, so next part, they ask you to find the area of shaded region. Okay, saya tak bagi tahu mana kawasan berlorek dia. Okay, so I want the shaded region to be this one. Okay, I want you to find this shaded region. Okay, so can you all tell me macam mana nak buat yang ni? How to get the shaded region? Include yang ni lah, kamu masuk yang ni juga. So anyone? How to get? Macam mana boleh dapat? Can give some idea? Boleh bagi idea macam mana kira luas kawasan berlorek? Anyone? Cuba saja, jangan risau. How to get the area? Luas POQ tolak dengan luas PQR. Luas POQ tolak dengan luas PQR. Okey, saya buat silap kat sini. Kamu tak perlu cari yang ni. Cari yang perang saja. This one I draw wrong. Yang ni ada sektor kat sini. Lepas tu garis macam ni. Okey. Hanya yang tu. So yes, you should take PQO minus PQR. Kamu boleh dapat luas kawasan berlorek. Okay, so konsep dia macam tu. Okay, so you can try. Okay, so luas POQ bahagian C. Area of shaded region. So you take PQO, segitiga PQO tolak dengan sektor. Segitiga dia PQO or POQ? POQ, correct. Minus PQR. Okay, so you take half AB sin C. So A is, kalau kamu lihat wajah, nilai dia adalah 17. Okay, 17 cm. So you gantikan 17 kat bawah. Okay. So 17. Satu lagi sisi pun 17. Sin sudut dia. Okay, sudut make sure in darjah. Okay, so sudut dia adalah 30 darjah, 30 degree. Okay, so 30 degree. Tolak dengan sektor PQR. Okay, so sektor PQR, R kuasa 2, lepas tu theta. Okay, so R, radius sector 8.8. Theta, kita dah cari tadi. Theta is theta 1.309. Sana. Okay, so can you all count for me? Apa nilai dia? What is the answer you will get for this question? So what is the answer? Anyone tell? Apa jawapan akhir dia untuk luas kawasan berlorek? Yes. Okay, 21.57 centimeter square. Okay, so you should get this answer for the question. Okay, guys, understand? Boleh faham? Hopefully you all clear for question 10. So this is how we solve. Okay, so question 11, soalan ke-11. Okay, kamu more mencabar tadi. So now, again, analyze the question. Kamu kena lihat soalan betul-betul. Okay, so they tell you that radius 5 cm. So they say that circle radius is 5 cm. Maksudnya, OR is 5 cm. OP is also 5 cm. Okay, this one you all must get correct first. Okay, and then AQB tangent. Okay, guys, tangent, what do we label? Oh, what is the answer? Wait, answer is 21.57 for part C. Okay. So tangent, guys, what will we label? Actually, in this case, no need to label lah, but you should know tangent is 90 degree. Okay, tak perlu label tangent because we don't have a garis. Okay, let's say you have a garis QO like this, something like this lah. Wait, QO, then this one is 90 degree, 90 darjah. But in this case, no need lah, you no need to draw that. Okay, tak perlu. You just direct can see the question. Okay, so then they say that, okay, nothing. Okay, so they want the first question. Angle X in terms of pi. Mereka nak cari sudut X dalam sebutan pi. Okay, guys. So how to do it? Macam mana buat? X in terms of pi. So how to do, guys? Part A. Anyone? They want to find sudut X dalam sebutan pi. So macam mana buat yang ni? Very simple method only. Sangat mudah. Anyone know? Cuba sahaja. Rhombus. Okay, yes, you can start with the rhombus, correct? Okay, so what will you do to the rhombus? Apa kamu akan buat? What is your step? Sana saya lihat. Segitiga sama kaki. Sama sisi baru 60 darjah. Yes. Okay, you can actually divide it to a triangle like this. Okay, so guys, can you see that got a sector like this? Boleh nampak sector tak? kat sini. You have actually 2 sector over here. Okay, so you can actually find the length of this arc. Kamu boleh cari panjang lengkok yang ni. Betul? Okay, so now can anyone tell this angle yang kecil ni berapa nilai dia? What is the small angle? What will be the small angle there? Yang sudut POQ, apa nilai dia yang ni? If I cut macam tu, kalau saya potong segitiga, what will be the answer? Anyone? Apa nilai POQ? Yes, you should get x over 2 radian. Okay, this one will also be x over 2 radian. Dua-dua sisi. Kamu tambah dua-dua, you will get x balik. So that's why dia potong sama. X bahagi 2, x bahagi 2. So now, you can find the length of arc. Correct? So part A, you can write. Wait, okay, I use next page. Okay, so part A, you can use S equals to R theta. Okay, so S, jejari we know is phi. Theta, we found is x over 2. Okay, but make sure this one is in radian adila. Okay, so you can direct count. So you will get phi x over 2. Okay, but in this case, you have dua panjang lengkok. Okay, you have 2s because got two sector, correct? Based on the diagram, kamu ada dua sector. So kamu kena kali nilai itu dengan 2. Okay, you must times the value by 2. Okay, so let me see here. 5. Wait for a while lah, guys. Okay, so you will get phi x over 2 times 2. So you have phi x cm. Okay, luas panjang lengkok. Okay, but now they ask x in terms of pi. Mereka suruh cari sudut x tu dalam sebutan pi. Okay, so how do we do this? Anyone know? Basically, x is in radian. Correct? X dalam unit radian. So actually, right, you can direct convert to degree. Kamu boleh terus tulis macam ni. You can actually direct write it out like this. Okay, you can write as x times pi bahagi 180. So actually you will get x pi bahagi dengan 180 degree. X over 2 equal 180 bahagi pi. Yes, can also. Okay, if you found x over 2, you can compare like that also. But actually, this one all, no need, tak perlu. Because they say x in terms of pi. So basically, you can give your answer like this. Okay, x dalam sebutan pi. You just convert to radian mode only. Kamu hanya perlu convert saja. Tukar only to bentuk radian. Then you can get the answer. Sudut x dalam sebutan pi. Okay guys? Understand cara nak buat? Actually it's a simple question only lah. Tak perlu buat panjang-panjang. Okay? So now they ask you the length of arc ACB. Kamu kena cari panjang lengkok ACB. Okay, so again, S equals R theta. Okay, you must use the formula again. But now, the problem is we don't know the length. Kita tak tahu panjang, but we can actually find the length because we know the theta. Okay, kita tahu theta. We have the x. Okay, kita ada nilai x. Okay, wait, let me see first. Okay, so this one is actually 90 darjah. Okay, they say it's a tangent. Okay, maksudnya sudut dia is 90 degree. So you can use so ka tua untuk cari seluruh panjang yang ni because we need the radius now. Okay, so now guys, can I ask you all, you will use so ka or tua untuk cari panjang AO and also OB. Which one you will use based on the information you have? So kah or tua? Anyone? Cuba jawab. Kamu guna yang mana? So kah or tua? For this question. Basically, triangle kamu macam ni sekarang. You have X bahagi 2. Yang ni adalah 5 because it's the jejari of the bulatan. You want to find this. Kamu nak cari yang ni. So we will use so kah or tua. Mana satu kamu akan guna? Hello guys. So kah or tua? Which one you will use for this question? Afiq? Any idea? Macam mana boleh cari panjang yang ni? You will use yang ni. Panjang yang ni. Macam mana boleh cari? So kah atau tua? Oh, it's okay, it's okay. So basically, you have to use cos. Okay, because yang ni adalah bersebelahan, yang ni adalah hypotenuse. Betul? So you have this sudut. So that's why kamu boleh guna cos lah. Okay, so cos, kamu boleh tukar dia macam ni lah. Because cos we must use in degree. Kamu kena guna mod darjah. So you have something like this. Okay, sama dengan 5 bahagi dengan hypotenuse. Okay, kamu kena cari hypotenuse. But, kamu kena cari nilai X dulu. We must find the X. Okay, because kalau X tak ada, kita tak boleh selesaikan. Okay, so, based on this, kalau kamu lihatlah raja ni. So guys, based on the diagram, wait Okay, so you got 5 cm. Lepas tu, ada panjang AB kat sini. So guys, can we find the AB ya? Adakah kita boleh cari panjang AB? Yes or no? Based on the question. Boleh cari tak panjang AB? Yes or no guys? Cuba jawab. Panjang AB. Can we find? Hello guys. Panjang AB. Boleh cari tak secara terus dari raja? Can we find directly? Yes or no? Boleh. Macam mana? How? Sat. Kamu tak ada panjang AO. AO tak ada lagi. Kamu ada OR sahaja. So boleh cari tak panjang AB? Boleh? Macam mana? How to find AB? Okay, got one clue for you all here. Ada satu clue. So guys, guna soka tua dan darab 2. Sana. Tak boleh. Because panjang ni kamu tak tahu. Panjang ni kamu tak tahu. Okay, sudut ni kamu tak tahu because dia X. Okay, kita tak tahu nilai dia lagi. Okay, kamu cuba lihat kat sini. Okay guys, sana saya cuba padam wajah. Okay, so can you all see here guys? Cuba fokus pada segitiga ini. Try to look over here. So guys, if you see on this triangle lah, kalau nampak segitiga ini, this one, Apa jenis segitiga ini ya? What type of triangle is this? Kalau kamu lihat, see carefully. Yes, sama kaki. So guys, apa hubungan antara dua sudut ni? What is the relationship between these two angle? Yes. Okay, nilai dia akan sama. Okay, maksud dia, yes. Okay, correct. So mean that kamu boleh anggap 60, 60, 60. Okay, because this one is X. Salah. Yang ni rhombus kan. Wait guys. Saya kena lihat betul. X. Nilai dia tak sama. Okay, cannot. Kamu tak boleh anggap dia sama. Hold on. Okay, yang ni dengan yang ni sahaja sama. Because segitiga sama kaki. Okay, this one, sudut ni is X bahagi 2. Betul? So mean that yang ni adalah X bahagi 4. Okay, because sorry. Sorry, bukan X bahagi 4. Tak boleh macam tu. What is the total angle for one triangle, guys? Satu segitiga dalam unit radian. Berapa jumlah sudut for satu segitiga, one triangle? Sudut pedalaman lah jumlah. Yes. So, kamu akan ambil pi tolak X bahagi 2. Lepas tu bahagi seluruh nilai ni dengan 2. Because dua sudut dia sama saiz dia. So, maksudnya dua sudut ni akan ada nilai yang ni untuk sudut dia. Understand guys? Boleh faham? Macam mana dapat nilai tu? Pi bahagi X tolak 2 bahagi 2. Okay, maksudnya guys, dari sini kamu boleh cari nilai X sebenarnya. Okay, mengapa? Kamu ada macam ni kan ungkapan dia. Okay, pi minus X over 2 bahagi 2. Kamu ada dua kali nilai ni. Because dua sudut sama kan, same size. Okay, and then satu lagi sudut adalah X bahagi 2. Betul? Another angle is X over 2. Jadi, jumlah sudut ni akan jadi pi. Okay, because one triangle 180 degree. Okay guys? Understand? Boleh faham cara dia? Mengapa Afiq? Wait saya cuba lihat. Pi by minus X over 2. Guys, saya cuba lihat. Bahagi 2. Dapat balik yang sama. Guys, saya lihat dengan betul. Mereka nak cari soalan macam tak cukup info. Panjang ACB. Wait guys, for a while. Ya, betul. Saya pun dapat yang tu. Saya cuba tengok. Saya rasa yang ni kekurangan info kot. Okay, satu konsep kita boleh guna kat sini. Okay, one konsep lah. Kamu semua ingat tentang quadrilateral bulatan tak? Hasil tambah sudut bertentangan jumlah dia berapa? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Opposite angle in a quadrilateral. What is the total angle? Kalau dia macam ni lah. Ada quadrilateral macam ni. Sudut A, sudut B. Apa hasil tambah dia sama dengan? What is the total angle? A plus B equal what? Okay, 180, correct. Okay, so we can actually use this concept. Kita boleh guna konsep tu. Kenapa? Because kita ada sudut ni kan tadi. Okay, so mean that sudut yang ni dia akan jadi pi tolak seluruh sudut ni. Okay, dia nampak kompleks sikit lah. Okay, So, kamu akan ambil pi tolak sudut yang satu lagi. So, kalau sudut ni X, kita fokus satu rhombus sekarang supaya lebih senang. Okay, maksudnya sudut ni akan jadi pi tolak X. Okay, bukankah kalau guna konsep tu? Yes, betul. Sebab quadrilateral ni ada dalam bulatan. Boleh nampak tak? Quadrilateral ni dalam satu bulatan. So, that's why kita boleh guna konsep tu. Quadrilateral bulatan. Okay, atau kitaran lah, bukan bulatan. Quadrilateral kitaran. Okay. Okay. Because it is in a circle, dia dalam bulatan. So, kita boleh guna. Okay, so based on this, kita boleh cari nilai X code. Kalau tak silap saya, kita boleh dapat nilai dia. Sana, saya cuba tengok boleh dapat tak. Okay, kita ada sudut dah. Okay, cuba sikit. Sebab soalan ni nampak macam tak cukup info bagi saya. Okay, saya cuba boleh dapat tak. Pi bagi 1. Okay, maksudnya kita darab 2 macam ni. Samakan dia. Lepas tu, kita tolak dengan pi. Okay. So, pi tolak jawapan ni. Sabar guys, saya cuba sikit. Boleh buat ke tak yang ni. Okay, yang ni potong. X bahagi 2. Okay. X bahagi 2 tambah dengan. Okay. X bahagi 2 tambah pi tolak X tolak 2. Okay, boleh dapat dah. Okay, boleh. Okay, saya dah jumpa dah. Kita kena tengok segitiga, quadrilateral kitaran. Okay. Cara nak ungkapkan X dalam sebutan pi, kita tengok quadrilateral kitaran. We refer to the cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so this is the expression I get. Okay. Hasil tambah 2 ni akan sama dengan 180 darjah. Okay, because opposite side, dia akan sama dengan pi. Okay guys, boleh faham konsep saya kat sini? Can understand? Can you react like if understand? Basically, kamu compare both angles, opposite angle. So this question a bit hard lah, so you must analyze a bit. Okay, boleh. Nak baca soalan kat bawah ni. Sebab soalan tak bagi apa-apa info tentang panjang. So kamu kena modify diagram. Okay, this one can say as kebat lah. Kamu boleh bagi tahu dia kebat. Okay, this is kebat question. Okay, Afiq? Okay. So, based on this, kamu boleh jawab soalan A dah. Okay, berdasarkan quadrilateral. Tadi tak boleh guna. Okay, we cannot use just now answer. Okay, because dia tak membantu kita cari nilai. Yang ni salah. Okay, this one cannot. Okay, this one don't use guys. Salah. Okay, we cannot use this answer because dia tak bantu kita untuk cari panjang lengkok. Okay, so we have to find a proper answer. Kita kena tengok jawapan yang ada nilai. Okay, X dalam sebutan pi maksud dia kita nak sudut tu dalam unit radian. Okay, dalam perkataan lain. Okay, so tadi kita dapat pi X per 2 tambah pi tolak X per 2 per 2. Okay. So you have X per 2 tambah pi tolak X per 2 sama dengan pi. Okay. So you can samakan tambah pi tolak X per 2 sama dengan 2 pi. Okay. So you get 1 per 2X equal to pi. Okay, so kamu akan dapat X sama dengan 2 pi. Okay guys, understand? Boleh faham cara kita buat? So this is how kamu boleh ungkapkan X dalam sebutan pi. Understand guys? Okay? Boleh faham? Can ah? Okay, so this is the idea. Okay, so for part A, then should be no problem already because you got the angle. Then you can find for all the other part already. Part B, part C. Okay, so I think kita henti kat sini dulu lah for today. Okay guys, we continue next week for this question. Boleh? Okay, so this bahagian B, bahagian C kamu cuba dulu based on the answer kat bahagian A. Then kita akan mula bincang minggu depan. Bahagian B dan C, then we continue. After this, kita dah habis dah lah bab 1. Okay, we complete chapter 1 for Maths. Okay guys? So anyone new here? Ada siapa baru join first time my class? Anyone? Saja nak tahu. Okay, got So if those baru join, if you want to join my class, you can PM my number. Okay, if you want to join my weekly class. Every week saya buat one class for Maths, one class for Maths. Okay, Maths is hari ini, Mathematics esok, Jumaat, same timing. Okay, so and also one more thing, kamu boleh, you can subscribe to my channel also. I got my own YouTube channel, so if you want to see Maths ataupun Mathematics video, kamu boleh subscribe lah. This my YouTube channel. Okay, boleh kongsi kat kawan juga. Okay guys, so nanti bab apa pula? Untuk mana Afiq? Esok ke? Esok kita buat ulang kaji bab ubahan. Sebab kita dah habis bab ubahan. Esok adalah kelas ulang kaji. Form 5 chapter 1. Yes, Mathematics. Ubahan. Okay? Okay, boleh. Okay guys, ada apa-apa soalan lagi?